Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do page 63 together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read each of the questions and then I'm going to complete them when the camera is paused and you're working, and then we can check your answers with mine, okay? So up here at the top, what do you think they want you to do? Yes, they want you to trace and then write the number 23 2 more times if you can fit it. Okay, here we have it's a story problem that we need to read. In the morning, Barbara drew 2 pictures for her book. So I suggest maybe you do a display of the 2 pictures for her book. In the afternoon, Barbara drew 4 more pictures. Draw the pictures and write a number sentence to show the number of pictures Barbara drew for her book. So down here, before you draw your number sentence, make sure you draw your number sentence blanks. Okay, think about what numbers need to go here and think about what symbols need to go inside the circle. And then answer this question at the bottom. How many pictures did Barbara draw? And write that number here. Okay. So for this next one, if you can, I'd like you to try to read these instructions on your own and complete it. So you might want to pause me now. In about 5 seconds, I'm going to read them just in case you get stumped. Okay. Color the triangles red. Color the circles blue. Color the rectangles yellow. Okay, and then lastly, we have our ordinal numbers. Write the letter O in the 3rd square. Write the letter S in the 1st square. Write the letter P in the 4th square. Write the letter T in the 2nd square. Okay, so you should pause me now so that you can complete each of these questions. You can also review my instructions. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause my video in just a few moments so that when it comes back on, it'll be like magically I completed everything. Okay, so be ready. And poof, we're ready. Okay, so here I've written the number 23 2 times. You'll notice that I started at the sky and went all the way down to the ground. Now, for this addition math problem that we drew, you'll notice that I did draw the little pictures. I did not spend a super abundance of time drawing. When we're doing math, I do want you to have some creativity, but we also have to kind of complete the work. And so sometimes that means we need to draw a little bit less than we might want to. When you did your number sentence, did you do 2 plus 4 equals 6? Here's a question for you. Would 4 plus 2 equal 6 be correct as well? And then did you write the number 6 as the answer here? Okay, how many triangles were there? 1, 2. How many circles? 1, 2, 3. How many rectangles? There were 2. How did they try to trick you with these rectangles? They made 1 horizontal and 1 vertical. And then over here we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-sided shape, a hexagon, also known as a stop sign. And then this guy is well, it's not the sun and it's not a rainbow, it must be a cloud. You got it. Okay. What word did we spell at the bottom? We spelled the word stop. Stop! We have an O in the 3rd. We have an S in the 1st, a P in the 4th, and a T in the 2nd. Okay, turning the page. So what I'll do for this side is I'll read to you the instructions, and then I'd like you to try to work on this one on your own if you wish to challenge yourself. They first want you to fill in all the missing numbers. Here we have a number problem, story problem. Bishop drew 5 pictures for his book. In the afternoon, Bishop drew 5 more pictures. Draw the pictures and write a number sentence to show the number of pictures Bishop drew for his book. Remember our number sentence blanks. Make sure you write down how many he did draw. On this side, find something in home that has the shape of a triangle and draw a picture of what you found. Find something in home that has the shape of a rectangle and draw it here. And then write down the name of what you drew. And then lastly, write the letter O in the second square. Write the letter K in the fourth square. Write the letter O in the third square. Write the letter B in the first square. All right, good luck. Have a great day, guys. Good job today.